Emily, let me start by asking you something honest. When you want to speak English, what is the biggest problem you feel inside?
I think the biggest problem is fear. I know some English words. I understand English, but when I try to speak, my mind becomes blank.
That feeling is very common. Many students believe they are bad at English, but the truth is they are only afraid of making mistakes. Fear blocks the words, not lack of knowledge.
Yes, exactly. I always think, what if I say something wrong?
Let me tell you something important. You cannot improve English speaking without making mistakes. Mistakes are not a problem. Silence is the real problem. When you speak, even with mistakes, your brain is learning.
So making mistakes is okay.
Not only okay, it is necessary. Think about a child learning to speak. Do we expect perfect sentences? No. We listen, we understand. Slowly, the child improves. Adults must give themselves the same permission.
That makes sense, but how should I start speaking daily?
Start small. Do not try to speak perfect English. Try to speak simple English. Talk about your daily life. For example, what you are doing, what you are thinking, or how you are feeling.
Like talking to myself.
Exactly. Self-talk is one of the best speaking practices. When you speak to yourself, there is no pressure. You can say simple sentences like, I am cooking food, or I am feeling tired today.
I never thought this could help.
It helps because your brain gets used to forming sentences in English. Slowly, English becomes natural, not forced.
Sometimes I know words, but I cannot make sentences quickly.
That happens because your brain is translating from your first language. To improve speaking, you must stop translating and start thinking in English. Even simple thoughts should be in English.
But thinking in English feels difficult.
It feels difficult at first, but it becomes easy with practice. Start with easy thoughts. For example, instead of thinking in your language, think, I am hungry, or I need water.
I see. So small thinking leads to better speaking.
Exactly. Another powerful method is listening. The more English you listen to, the better you speak. Your brain learns pronunciation, rhythm, and sentence structure naturally.
Should I listen to native speakers?
Yes, but choose simple content. Podcasts, short videos, conversations, or stories in easy English. Do not worry about understanding every word. Focus on overall meaning.
What about practice with other people? I feel shy.
Confidence comes after practice, not before. You can start by repeating sentences aloud, speaking in front of a mirror, or recording your voice. These steps prepare you for real conversations.
Recording my voice sounds uncomfortable.
It feels uncomfortable because it is new, but it is very effective. When you listen to your voice, you understand where you need improvement. Over time, your confidence grows.
Sometimes I feel my progress is very slow.
Progress in language is always slow at first, but if you practice a little every day, you will be surprised after a few months. Consistency is more important than long study hours.
So daily practice is the key.
Yes, 10 to 15 minutes of speaking every day is better than studying 4 hours once a week. Language improves with regular use.
What about vocabulary? I feel I do not know enough words. Vocabulary grows naturally when you read and listen. Do not memorize. Long word lists learn words in sentences. When you see or hear a word many times, it becomes part of your speaking. That feels less stressful.
Learning English should not feel heavy. It should feel like a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth. Small, simple, and regular.
I feel more confident now. English does not feel impossible anymore.
That is because it was never impossible. You just needed the right method and the right mindset. Speak daily. Accept mistakes. Think in English. And be patient with yourself.
Thank you, Ms. Laura. I feel motivated to start speaking today.
You are welcome, Emily. Remember, English improves when you use it. Speak today, speak tomorrow, and speak every day.
Before we end, I want to ask one last thing. What if I feel scared again after today?
That is normal, Emily. Fear may return, but now you know how to handle it. When fear comes, do not stop. Speak anyway. Every time you speak, despite fear, you become stronger.
I understand now. Speaking English is not about being perfect. It is about being brave and consistent.
Exactly. And remember this. The moment you start enjoying the process, English will start improving faster than you expect.